Hey to all dear warriors, here I am with another video relating to environmental studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the biodiversity conservation. Means how we need to maintain and protect the or manage the biodiversity, okay, in the ecological system. So biodiversity conservation Biodiversity conservation is the protection and management of biodiversity to obtain resources for the sustainable development. Okay, what is sustainable development? Sustainable development means development of uh, present generations, making sure that resource availability for the future generations, utilization of natural resources and other resources by the present generations, keeping in mind that these resources should be useful for, or making sure that these resources should be available for future generations. Sometimes this sustainable development concept also will become as a short question. So let us come to our major discussion. Biodiversity conservation has three main objectives. Okay, first one, to preserve and diversify the species. Second one, sustainable utilization of species and ecosystem. Third one, to maintain the life supporting system and essential ecological process. So these are the main objectives of biodiversity conservation. So one, preservation of diversity. Two, utilization of species and ecosystem for sustainable development, and to maintain life supporting system and essential ecological processes. So these are the main objectives. Next, biodiversity conservation methods, and this directly may be asked as ex situ conservation or in situ conservation. Okay, or directly they may ask conservation methods, one question relating to biodiversity. So biodiversity refers to the variability of life on the earth. It can be conserved in the following ways: in situ conservation, ex situ conservation. What is about in situ conservation? Let us see. So in situ conservation, okay, in situ conservation, what happens means, in situ conservation of biodiversity is the conservation of species within their natural habitat. Whatever natural habitat is there, in that how we are maintaining and protecting the biodiversity. Okay, the natural ecosystem is maintained and protected. The following are some advantages of in situ conservation system. Okay, so what are those? Let us see. So it is a cost effective and convenient method of conserving biodiversity. Okay, in this method there will not be excess cost and easily can be maintained because we are using the natural habitats. Large number of living organisms can conserved simultaneously because these are naturally built. So in natural ecosystem, many organisms can live together and simultaneously can be protected. Okay, that is one of the advantage. Since organisms are in natural ecosystem, they can evolve better and can easily adjust to different environmental conditions. As these will be of natural ecosystem, organisms which are in this ecosystem, okay, can evolve and easily adjust to the different environmental conditions. Okay, certain protected areas where in situ conservation takes place includes the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. So this is how we are protecting or maintaining the biodiversity. One is national parks. These are small reserves are maintained by the government. Okay, its boundaries are well demarcated, and human activities such as grazing, forestry, habitat, okay, cultivation are prohibited in these areas. Okay, example, Kana National Park and Bandipur National Park. Next one is wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, these are regions where only wild animals are found. Okay, human activities such as timber harvesting, cultivation, collection of wood, and other forest productions are allowed here along as they do not interfere with the conservation project. So also tourist visits these places for recreation purposes. Okay, these are wildlife sanctuaries. Next, biosphere reserves. In biosphere reserves, multi-purpose protection areas. These are wild wildlife and traditional life systems of inhabitants and domestical plants, animals are protected. Tourist research activities are permitted here. Okay, biosphere reserves. These are the three relating to in situ conservation. Next, let us see the ex situ conservation. This may be asked as a short question also, so be careful with this answer. So ex situ conservation of biodiversity involves the breeding and maintenance of endangered species in an artificial ecosystem. The species which are getting decrease. Okay, for these things what we are doing, ex situ conservation biodiversity, okay, system they are using, like white tigers are being protected in some specific zoos, nurseries, etc. Okay, some specific species they are getting decreased, so for this these artificial ecosystems are used, such as zoos, nurseries, botanical gardens, geobanks, etc. These are less competition for food. There is less competition for food, water and space among the organisms. Okay, only few will be in these areas, zoos, nurseries, so there will not be much competition for them. Okay, they can grow easily we can protect. Ex situ conservation has the following advantages. The animals are provided with longer time and breeding activity. Okay, ये एक advantage होता है. Next, the species breed in captivity can be reintroduced in the wild. reintroduce कर सकते captivity species breeding. Then genetic techniques can be used for preservation of endangering species. Okay, these are the main methods of conservation relating to biodiversity, and sometimes they may ask the importance of biodiversity. Okay, you can even write the importance. Just go through this, and I'll provide these notes in the description of this video. You can find it from there, you can download it, and this can be easily useful for you all. So सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. And importance of biodiversity, ecological stability, economic importance, as well as we are having ethical importance. All these comes under this category. So लाइक नहीं करे तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. 80% ऑफ माई व्यूअर्स आर नॉट एट सब्सक्राइब. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.